how many of us have mapped out our customer journey so that those people that we would like to do business with us would find us and get to like us and to trust us and eventually to give us their money. Now, this may not seem like PR, but actually it's all around trust. And public relations creates trust with people that may or may not have ever met you. And when you're making a purchase online, trust, whether it's a consumer or a B2B element, is a central part of any transaction. So I want to just share with you what I learned by fixing my daughter's MacBook Pro. It may seem a little bit of a strange subject, but I learned a lot from this company because they have, for me, mapped out my customer journey really well, so much so that I was willing to send a £1,000 piece of technology to a company that I'd never heard of before in the hope that I would get it A, fixed, and B, get it back. And in this age of scams, we know that's not always going to be the case.